If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: which of the following features does the SAP Ariba Integration Toolkit provide? There are two correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, Web Service Interface to connect to the ERP system. Option 2, Data Extraction Utilities to pull data from the ERP system. Option 3, Ability to transfer .csv files from and to the on-demand system on an automated basis. Option 4, Single sign-on for the on-demand platform. Question: which of the following baseline configurations are included in the template realm? There are three correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, Ariba Network Transaction Rules. Option 2, Approval Processes. Option 3, Receiving Types. Option 4, Parameters. Option 5, Invoice Exception Types. Question: a receipt document has multiple users on an approval flow in Ariba P2P. Who enters the quality or amount that is accepted or rejected? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, any user in the approval flow. Option 2, the first user in the approval flow. Option 3, the person who requested the requisition. Option 4, the person who prepared the requisition. Question: which of the following are common item categories that can be defined in the item category .csv? There are two correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, Subcontracting. Option 2, Material. Option 3, Consignment. Option 4, Service. Question: when you develop the flight plan, which suppliers do you include in the second wave of enablement? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, suppliers who must continue to use paper invoices. Option 2, high volume or strategic or suppliers who are already Ariba network members. Option 3, medium/low volume or less strategic supplier who are already Ariba network members. Option 4, low volume and less strategic supplier. Question: which event updates the status of a requisition from ordered to another status? There are two correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, the requester approves an invoice against the order. Option 2, the supplier invoices some or all items from the order. Option 3, the requester cancels the order. Option 4, the requester cancels the order. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding Ariba Procurement Solution? There are two correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, Ariba Procure to Order covers all procurement life cycle processes. Option 2, Ariba Procure to Pay spans the entire life cycle of a purchasing transaction from requisitioning to ordering to receiving to invoicing and reconciliation. Option 3, Ariba Procurement Content covers some of the Ariba Procure to Pay processes, but it uses your ERP system for approvals, creating and sending POS, and receiving and settlement. Option 4, Ariba Invoice Pro does not fill the void of inadequate accounts payable automation. Question: which of the following is a benefit for sellers using Ariba Network? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, invoices submitted electronically via DocPo are more accurate and accepted more quickly by buyers. Option 2, sellers with good ratings are promoted as potential suppliers on Ariba network. Option 3, sellers transacting on Ariba network are eligible to use marketing services to promote products on Ariba network. Option 4, sellers collect marketing intelligence for their industry on Ariba network. Question: what must be done before you can create customizations in the SAP Ariba buying and invoicing environment? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, the customer must submit a service request after go live. Option 2, the technical lead must engage with the customer to define the scope. Option 3, a statement of work must be created by the customer engagement executive. Option 4, the functional lead must create a prototype during the requirements gathering phase. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding compound pricing? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, compound pricing allows sub-agreements to take advantage of discounts specified in parent agreements. Option 2, the calculation for compound pricing is parallel. Option 3, compound pricing is only available if the parent agreement uses a price discount. Option 4, the sub-agreement discount is calculated first and the resulting price is used to calculate the discount from the parent agreement. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding preload accumulators? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, they affect tiered pricing calculation in all types of contracts. Option 2, they only affect pricing discounts in supplier level contracts. Option 3, the preload amount field lets users specify an amount of prior spend against an existing contract. Option 4, they are used to update item or commodity level accumulators. Option 5, preload amounts are tracked at the header level only. Question: which of the following are benefits from Ariba Discovery? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, effective. Option 2, mitigates supply risk. Option 3, reduces attrition rate. Option 4, integrated. Option 5, trusted. Question: which of the following is not a contract workspace component? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, none of the above. Option 2, team. Option 3, tasks. Option 4, documents. Option 5, overview. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding accounting functionality? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, accounting can drive journal entries in the ERP. Option 2, accounting can drive ledger entries in the ERP. Option 3, accounting cannot determine approval workflows. Option 4, accounting can define budgets by only project codes. Question: which of the following is the default receiving type for all receipts? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, manual, receive by quantity. Option 2, manual, receive by amount. Option 3, no receipt. Option 4, auto, receive. Question: For which activities do you use the functional discussion document? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, capture customer requirements. Option 2, determine conformance to baseline configuration. Option 3, determine scope of solution. Option 4, cover all questions from the customer. Question: which of the following are the types of tasks in Ariba contract management? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, to-do task. Option 2, item to-do task. Option 3, deletion task. Option 4, notification task. Option 5, negotiation task. Question: the Ariba Procurement solution supports which of the following order routing methods? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1, ordering through the Ariba network, and Option 2, an order or manual order with copy to ERP, CC. Option 3, export to CSV. Option 4, import to ERP. Option 5, manual order. Question: in SAP Ariba buying and invoicing, which features classify kits? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, kits can contain punch-out items. Option 2, kits can be created from non-catalog items. Option 3, kit item quantities can be modified by shoppers. Option 4, kits can be created by customer catalog managers. Question: which of the following contract fields are excluded from change? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, contract type. Option 2, supplier. Option 3, parent agreement. Option 4, invoice. Option 5, hierarchy node. Question: which visual elements can you change in the Ariba user interface? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, visual theme using choice of built-in presets. Option 2, font faces and sizes using the core administrator. Option 3, company logo using an image upload. Option 4, button colors and styles using the branding settings. Question: what is the standard number of weeks that SAP Ariba deployment services will support a standard Ariba P2P project? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1, 26 weeks. Option 2, 22 weeks. Option 3, 24 weeks. Option 4, 20 weeks. Question: which activity does the moderator perform in an SAP Ariba guided buying community? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1, upload documents and videos to the community and create articles. Option 2, communicate with SAP Ariba to request additional roles for the organization's users. Option 3, oversee all aspects of the organization's help community. Option 4, tag important questions with taxonomy terms. Question: which of the following master data can only be loaded by Ariba personnel? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1, system commodity codes. Option 2, company codes. Option 3, plant to purchase organization mapping. Option 4, group to child group mapping. Question: how are quick enablement supplier prioritized when you plan enablement waves? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 highest. Option 2 high. Option 3 low. Option 4 medium. Question: in an Ariba P2P deployment, which of the following activities require actions from both shared services and SAP Ariba? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1 project plan creation. Option 2 process flows. Option 3 issue resolution. Option 4 basic test scenarios. Option 5 program level meetings. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding Ariba spend visibility? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 aggregates, cleans, organizes, and validates your data so your reports are based on better data. Option 2 includes data enrichment services, where Ariba provides extensive and flexible reporting capabilities. Option 3 only B and C. Option 4 is an on-demand solution, meaning Ariba hosts and manages the application for you. Option 5 all of the above. Question: which of the following are the approvable documents that are used in contract receiving? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 receipt. Option 2 none of the above. Option 3 milestone tracker. Option 4 both A and B. Question: in collaborative requisitioning, how many types of bidding exist? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 2. Option 2 3. Option 3 4. Option 4 5. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding accumulator updates? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 both A and B. Option 2 none of the above. Option 3 in contracts for which invoicing is enabled, invoicing related accumulators are updated when invoice reconciliation documents are approved. Option 4 in contracts for which receiving is enabled, receiving related accumulators are updated when receipts are processed. Question: for which activity can you use dynamic forms in Ariba P2P? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1 formula-based pricing configuration. Option 2 unit of measure conversions. Option 3 dynamic configuration of receiving type. Option 4 enforcement of item content. Question: on which tab can you add the pricing detail from a request for proposal, RFP, into a contract in SAP Ariba buying and invoicing? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 the award tab of the RFP. Option 2 the pricing tab of the contract workspace. Option 3 the contract tab of the RPF. Option 4 the events tab of the contract workspace. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding agreements without releases? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 all of the above. Option 2 only A and B. Option 3 provide additional pricing terms. Option May 4 allow direct receiving and invoicing. Option 5. No release order contracts do not allow release orders to be issued against them. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding contract addendum? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. It is a Microsoft Word document that contains the text of the contract agreement. Option 2. It provides Microsoft Word integration. Option 3. Only A and C. Option 4. All of the above. Option 5. It is organized into sections and clauses. Question: the punch-out process involves which of the following? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. Buyer. Option 2. All of the above. Option 3. Supplier. Option 4. Ariba network. Option 5. Only B and C. Question: which of the following items need a UOM, unit of measure? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. Both A and B. Option 2. None of the above. Option 3. Catalog items. Option 4. Non-catalog items. Question: in the supplier enablement process, when does the buyer develop their compliance policy? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. Before flight planning is initiated. Option 2. After the first wave is enabled. Option 3. After supplier training is conducted. Option 4. Before the project notification letter is sent. Question: which of the following invoices have no matching documents? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. Contract-based invoices. Option 2. PO-based invoices. Option 3. Non-contract invoices. Option 4. Non-PO invoices. Question: which of the following are the invoice efficiency challenges? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1. Short day sales outstanding. Option 2. Inability to forecast cash flow. Option 3. Invoice disputes and exceptions. Option 4. Missed discounts. Option 5. Short invoice processing cycles. Question: which catalog status on the Ariba network informs the supplier that the catalog content is made available for the customer's end users? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1. Approved published. Option 2. Activated. Option 3. Validated by customer. Option 4. Activated. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding reporting features? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1. A public workspace is the virtual folder for all personal reports that you have saved. Option 2. Public reports are custom reports created by your Ariba administrator and can be accessed by anyone with the proper permissions. Option 3. Reports display data in a pivot table that you can manipulate to see different scenarios for the data. Option 4. Scheduling reports provides report storage and distribution. Option 5. You cannot send the results of a report to your dashboard. Question: which of the following are the milestones in architect phase of Ariba methodology? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 Solution scope defined. Option 2 System test complete. Option 3 Ready to migrate to prod. Option 4 All project resources assigned. Question: which of the following is not part of high-level process of CCO flight planning tool? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1, finalize and track progress. Option 2, identify opportunities to expand adoption. Option 3, publish the plan. Option 4, review and refine flight plan with customer stakeholders. Option 5, archive the plan. Question: Ariba uses which of the following to categorize and display products to end users? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 display code. Option 2 category code. Option 3 product code. Option 4 classification code. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding search filters? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 searching always performs partial matching. Option 2 members of the report manager group can save searches for use by everyone. Option 3 search filters are available in only the search page, not the search box. Option 4 you cannot hide search filters. Option 5 you can display specific search filters. Question: in SAP Ariba guided buying, which activities does a specialized item form enable requesters to perform? Please choose the correct answer. Note: answers to this question are not verified by our experts. Please study yourself and select the appropriate answers. Contribute: please send the correct answers with reference text/link on feedback@erpprep.com to get up to 50% cashback. Response. Option 1 provide additional information to specify the product they want. Option 2 initiate a sourcing request to centralized procurement. Option 3 conduct 3 bids and a buy for highly technical items. Option 4 order products that are not in the company catalog. Question: which of the following are benefits from request for proposal, RFP? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 enables suppliers to differentiate themselves. Option 2 all of the above. Option 3 good for sourcing of standard items. Option 4 only B and C. Option 5 allows for exploration and comparison of a variety of possible options. Question: when you define a widget, which of the following attributes are available on the Property tab? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 text formatting. Option 2 attachments. Option 3 field label. Option 4 import. Option 5 filed path. Question: for supplier performance management, which of the following is the best practice adoption based on average annual savings? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 suppliers' performances are measured on a regular basis to review if they are meeting contract terms and to gain leverage in negotiation. Option 2 system tracks quantitative, price, delivery, and qualitative, quality, service, KPIs of supplier performance. Performance is regularly communicated to supplier. Option 3, organization has real-time visibility into supplier performance and related risks for proactive improvements. Option 4, none of the above. Question: which of the following are features of Ariba Procurement solution? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, built-in reporting. Option 2, high level of security. Option 3, flexible business rules. Option 4, intuitive user interface. Option 5, non-customizable forms. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding blanket purchase orders, BPOs, in Ariba? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, BPO spend is accrued on the invoice date. Option 2, BPOs must have a maximum amount. Option 3, BPOs are sent to the supplier through the Ariba network as a PO and will appear in the supplier's inbox, both as a contract and as a purchase order. Option 4, BPOs are created through the requisition creation process. Question: which SAP Ariba module simplifies the procurement of non-sourced goods while maintaining corporate visibility and control? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, SAP Ariba Spot Buy Catalog. Option 2, SAP Ariba Payables. Option 3, SAP Ariba Sourcing. Option 4, SAP Ariba Strategic Sourcing. Question: a user needs to design and manage forms. Which SAP Ariba user groups must be assigned to this user? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, eForm Template Manager. Option 2, Custom Form Administrator. Option 3, Form Template Creator. Option 4, Custom Form Designer. Question: what responsibilities does a purchasing agent have once an Ariba P2P requisition has been issued against a manual supplier? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, mark POS as ordered once they are transmitted to the supplier. Option 2, run the forced order task to push POS to the Ariba network. Option 3, send POS to supplier via agreed communication method. Option 4, confirm the receipt of supplier's order confirmations within Ariba P2P. Question: if the effective date is in the future, the status of the contract workspace will be which of the following? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, pending. Option 2, on hold. Option 3, published. Option 4, draft. Question: what must do to connect a receipt that was over-received in Ariba P2P? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, enter a negative value in the accepted box to reduce the quantity previously accepted. Option 2, enter the correct value in the accepted box that matches the total quantity accepted. Option 3, enter the connect value in the accepted box after you create a new PO. Option 4, enter a 0 value in the accepted box to reset the quantity previously accepted. Question: the Ariba Commerce Cloud is the most efficient and effective way for organizations to achieve which of the following? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, minimizing risks. Option 2, improving profits. Option 3, controlling costs. Option 4, reducing attrition. Option 5, increasing NPV. Question: what are the benefits of using the Ariba Suite integration? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, provides single sign-on and unified dashboard. Option 2, enables seamless integration of contracts and receipts. Option 3, allows on-premise apps to join with on-demand apps. Option 4, allows for shared master data. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding approval rules? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, the approval process formally starts after a document is created. Option 2, approval processes interface manages versioning and audit tracking. Option 3, your organization can only use default processes. Option 4, approval rules determine the overall approval process. Option 5, there are unique rule sets based on document type and content. Question: which integration channel do you use if your customer requests real-time transactional data synchronization between ERP and SAP Ariba buying and invoicing? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, file channel. Option 2, EDI. Option 3, web services. Option 4, SAP direct connectivity. Question: how many themes exist for the Ariba user interface? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, 4. Option 2, 5. Option 3, 2. Option 4, 3. Question: your SAP Ariba guided buying customer uses a PeopleSoft ERP system. You need to ensure that only users from the marketing business unit see a particular document in the community. Which tag do you use? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, setted tag. Option 2, page tag. Option 3, purchasing organization tag. Option 4, category tag. Question: which of the following data elements can you integrate in an SAP Ariba buying and invoicing project? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, fixed enumeration validation. Option 2, flex master data. Option 3, ANID on SAP vendor master. Option 4, approval lookup files. Option 5, catalog kits. Question: what transactional data can be exchanged between Ariba P2P and an ERP system? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, order confirmation. Option 2, remittance advice. Option 3, invoice. Option 4, payment request. Question: a manual purchase order remains in the ordering status. Which steps must you perform to transmit it to the supplier? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, the purchasing agent selects mark ordered. At SAP Ariba at mails the purchase order using the at mail address in the supplier record. Option 2, the purchasing agent selects mark ordered. At the purchase order is manually sent to the supplier. Option 3, the requester agent selects mark ordered. At SAP Ariba at mails the purchase order using the at mail address in the supplier record. Option 4, the requester agent selects mark ordered. At the purchase order is manually sent to the supplier. Question: which supplier master data is shared in a suite integrated environment in SAP Ariba Buying and Invoicing? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, supplier location. Option 2, system ID. Option 3, preferred ordering method. Option 4, owner information. Question: which of the following is /our way, S, to initiate a supplier discovery posting? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, none of the above. Option 2, both A and B. Option 3, during the event creation process. Option 4, creating postings directly in Ariba Discovery. Question: for financial settlement, which of the following is the best practice adoption based on procurement cost? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, AP managers spend time monitoring and evaluating AP processes rather than entering invoices into the system. Option 2, the AP system automatically alerts and does not accept receipt of goods when it finds differences between invoice, order, and receipt, within defined tolerances. Option 3, company has supplier discount terms policy and compliance program to optimize capital through extension of days payable outstanding and discounts earned. Option 4, suppliers have visibility into payment status including invoice status, expected payment date and expected discount amount. Question: what responsibilities does the Ariba functional lead have during an Ariba P2P deployment? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, configure site according to customer requirements. Option 2, facilitate business process review and configuration sessions. Option 3, educate customer on functionality and setup of Ariba integration tools. Option 4, review master data for completeness and assist in data issue resolution. Question: what does SAP Ariba recommend that you load first during an Ariba implementation? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, supplier master data. Option 2, recommended parameters. Option 3, template realm baseline settings. Option 4, realm branding stings. Question: which of the following workshops is led by the Ariba functional lead? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, accounting and common master data. Option 2, remote authentication. Option 3, budget check. Option 4, suppliers. Question: which of the following statements are true regarding AND bids and a buy? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, both A and B. Option 2, none of the above. Option 3, require collaboration with a minimum number of suppliers. Option 4, used for both goods and services. Question: an approval node contains a system group with 5 users. From this group, who must approve the document? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 all users. Option 2 any user. Option 3 the majority of users. Option 4 the user with the highest approval authority. Question: which deliverables would you expect from an Ariba design workshop? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 Ariba Network Basic Requirements Workbook. Option 2 Functional Design Document. Option 3 Spreadsheet Template documenting customizations. Option 4 Customer ERP and Interface Documentation. Question: which main data elements does SAP Ariba require from the customer's existing system? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 Units of measure. Option 2 User groups. Option 3 Suppliers. Option 4 Payment terms. Question: your customer wants to use SAP Ariba buying to identify sources of supply for specific goods and services. The customer does not have SAP Ariba strategic sourcing. What would you present to your customer? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 the collaborative requisition functionality in SAP Ariba. Option 2 the sourcing functionality in SAP Ariba. Option 3 the spot buy functionality in SAP Ariba. Option 4 the non-catalog requisition functionality in SAP Ariba. Question: which SAP Ariba document collects all customer settings? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 Functional Design Document. Option 2 Functional Discussion Document. Option 3 Business Requirement Workbook. Option 4 Functional Configuration Document. Question: Ariba Discovery sends email notifications to suppliers when you do which of the following? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 indicate you are not interested in a supplier and hashtag 39s response. Option 2 remove a supplier. Option 3 reopen a posting. Option 4 respond to a supplier and hashtag 39s question. Option 5 save a supplier. Question: for punch-out requisition item type, discount may be applied to which of the following contract types? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response. Option 1 header level. Option 2 item level, catalog. Option 3 commodity level. Option 4 supplier level. Option 5 item level, non-catalog. Question: contract-based invoices can be created and transmitted in which of the following option? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 electronic invoices. Option 2 both A and B. Option 3 manual invoices. Option 4 none of the above.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.